get him kind of work on his leg. Oh yeah, for about an hour or so. But you're gonna push him in the house once a week. So if he can work on his leg. Exactly. Oh, look at that.
See, Miles' dad trying him though. The coach's son, you know he getting the proper training. Easy buckets, man.
Ricky, call on it.
Good pass. Go ahead, Rick. Hey, he mad now. Hey, they done did it now. What you call, baby?
Oh my goodness.
Man, he tripping, man. Hey, good take though. But that finish. Hey. So he mad now. Hey, he get mad. He's physical.
Take a man, man.
Hey, he is physical, boy.
He hit that form right there. I was trying to get up. But he hit big.
Hey, he getting big and mad. He run over everybody. They're about 6. Hey, man, ain't this the team that lost in the championship last year? No, I'm talking about the little tournament jump. Like at the beginning, like